Hi, in front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Firstly, you need to open Play Store and download your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. After your apps are ready, you need to access devices settings right away. Now you need to go into settings, scroll down and click on apps section. Then scroll down again, click on default apps and tap on one of those sections, in my case, browser app. Lastly, tap on the one that you wish to and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!